All right, Tramdr's not happy again. Bought some bleeder resistors from an American company. Paid about $5 for the resistors. These 2 packs of 10, so 20, and about $6 more shipping. Could have got them for like $2 from China. But they were supposed to be 330k ohm resistors, not 1.2 ohm. Been waiting on these for a project for an amp to put some bleeders in, and obviously 1.2 ohms are not going to work when I ordered 330k. Took them a while to get them too, so not happy about that. Also bought a Browning Drake tube mobile off eBay, and it came in this box here. Kind of small for a tube radio, right? So I opened it up. Did have a little bubble wrap, but as you can see, that's how tight this radio was packed in there. And I'm like, don't like it. I've been okay if it wasn't damaged, but of course I pull it out, and I don't know if you can see it from this angle, but that front is bent in. Yeah, you can see it bent up a little bit, bent in on that corner, and that's the obvious damage I saw, all from bad packing. So I don't know, good people and good shippers and buyers and all that are hard to find. I guess it's just a sign of a time. Alright, that's it for this quick one. Bye.